here at the AMA West. It's a good time. We got everything from giant scale airplanes to our little micro drones. We're going to do some racing here later today, and so everyone's welcome to come check us out.
Like every time you moved it, it would go like really fast. When you're seeing something, it'll like make you dizzy or try and move your head, but you didn't.
So what we've got here is the Interceptor. So this is a 1/18th scale, 2-channel RC car with independent suspension, so it smooths out the ride. You drive it through FPV goggle. And so what the FPV goggle allows you to do is have a first-person view, so it's like a driver's point of view of the product. So it adds a whole new dimension to RC, where typically you'd be looking on the outside onto the car from a third-person view, but now you're in a first-person view driving as if you were actually in the vehicle.
Over here we have the EMAX Easy Pilot, the new easy-to-fly drone. It's single-stick operation. The barometer holds its altitude, you just take it up, you just fly it around.
We started out with 1 stick and then moved up to the 2 stick. He's 6 and he was flying around on his own.
Oh, he was 6?
Yeah.
Oh, through the course?
Yeah, so he made it through.
That's awesome.
So one of the stars of the 2019 show for us is the EMAX Easy Pilot, a completely new beginner product, puts FPV drone piloting even more accessible than the original Tiny Hawk. Condense the flying experience into basically a 1-stick directional control. So all the user has to do is simply launch the drone with a simple stick movement of the throttle, and then set their height, and the drone stays at that height, and they maneuver the drone with just the roll and pitch stick.